Mabuhay Philippines! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. At ito na nga, ang pinag-uusapang pa-interview sa mga piling Miss Universe Philippines 2024 sa Sultan Kudarat. Nanlamo ng mic ang mga frontrunner na in-interview ng isa sa mga vlogger. At dun sa mga in-interview, pumili lang ako mga kamabuhay Philippines ng aking mga nagustuhang mga kandidata. Lamon na lamon ang kanilang mga pananalita at talagang ang com skills nila ay talagang pang top 5 finalist na sa final sa gaganaping Coronation Night sa May 22. Credit nga pala dun sa nag-video at nag-interview dahil gustong gusto ko ito. Hihiramin ko muna ang ilang clips ng video dahil napakaganda talaga mga kamabuhay Philippines. Yung interview yung ginawa niya, kaya saludo ako dun sa nag-interview. Unang sumalang ay si Miss Iloilo. Pakinggan natin. Talagang kudang-kuda ang lola ninyo.
Okay, so my first question is, if you will be given a chance to choose a universe, so what universe would you choose? A universe that full of knowledge but unused, or a universe that full of knowledge but abused?
Okay. So as in the place that we're living in right now, that there's so much hatred and there's so much war and happening at the same time, I would always, and I know that everyone would always choose a word or a universe rather that is unused, because when it's unused, you can always educate people about things. You can always be like a learning, or you're a teacher, a guidance to someone and learning them about or educating them about things. Meanwhile, when it's an abused world or abused universe, that it takes so much time to remove the trauma in people's mind and in their heart, because all they know is hatred. So instead of letting people know about hatred, we can taught everyone how to love and show humility and forgiveness. So a universe that is full of unused things, you can educate people. But with abuse, it takes time to really, cure abused or at least get out of it.
Oh, ang galing! Okay, so next question natin is, if life is short, why do we do so many things we don't like? And why do we like so many things we don't do?
Lumamang
I
talaga
think
ng
if I can
mikropono
rephrase that
ang
for me,
ating
I think
Alexi
life
Brooks.
is not short. I think
Kaya
for me life is
kudang-kuda.
long, because I live my day-to-day
Talagang,
life, or living,
pang-
doing
top
the best
five
that I can, or
finalist
doing the
talaga.
things that I'm happy about, serving people, influencing people, loving the individuals that are around me, and appreciating, showing gratefulness. So I think that life is only short when you don't live the moment. If you always procrastinate and think of doing things later than doing it right now, I think that life is long and we should live it that way. And with the life that we have in this universe, we make sure that we create an impact. And in this impact, we try to influence and we try to empower everyone. That's why I said abansi babae. So that's the advocacy about it. Thank you.
I only have
Sumunod namang sumalang ay si Miss Cavite. Kaya kudang-kuda rin ang lola ninyo. Kaya pak na pak at bet na bet ang ginawa ng lola ninyo. Lalo na yung kanyang pronunciation. Pakinggan natin mga kamabuhay Philippines.
two questions,
Yes,
ha?
po. Sige po.
Siyempre, pangarap talaga natin makuha ang universe,
Oo,
di ba, na
sure.
crown. Kung mamimili ka, ano ang universe na pipiliin mo? A universe that full of knowledge pero unused? Or a universe that full of knowledge pero abused?
I would choose a universe where knowledge is abused. And I would say that because knowledge is already being used. And I feel like that is the important thing, because with a universe where knowledge is unused, we still have not experienced the world yet. We still have not experienced what we can do as humans, either it be negative or positive. So to be able to live in a world where knowledge is abused, we can still change that negative. We can change that trajectory to make make that knowledge positive instead.
Thank you so much.
At yan, sumalang na rin si Atisa Manalo. Kudang-kuda din, improve na talaga ang com skills ng lola niyo. Pakinggan natin.
Nandito si Atisa sa aking harapan. So, I only have two questions. Okay, so, syempre naman, Atisa na yan, guys. Okay, so, for you, what universe would you choose? A universe that full of knowledge but unused? Or a universe that full of knowledge but abused?
That's quite tough because both are a little bit on the negative side. But I guess if I really have to choose, I choose knowledge that is abused. I do think that there is no limit to knowledge.
True.
And as long as we are continuing to pursue knowledge, I think there would be use to it. Even though to some people it may be abusive, it may be going beyond the limits, but who puts a limit on knowledge? Us people, just us people.
Wala na. Grabe.
Kasunod na sumalang ay si BBB, si Miss Bacoor. Hala, nanlalamon din talaga ng mic. Talagang pak na pak din ang lola nyo at bet na bet, pinakbet ang lola ninyo.
Anyway, ayan guys, si Bacoor. Okay, so syempre dahil gusto natin talaga i-achieve yung universe. Di kahit ikaw, di ba? Gusto mo talaga i-achieve yung universe na crown. So kung papipiliin ka, what universe would you choose? A universe that full of knowledge pero unused, or a universe that full of knowledge pero abused?
So when I hear you say knowledge that's being abused, the first thing that comes to mind is that it's being used for abused for evil, like evil doing. Ayoko ganon. So I would rather knowledge go to waste and be unused rather than people use their knowledge for evil.
Okay.
Sunod ay si Miss Baguio. Talagang iisa ang tanong sa kanila at pinaghandaan din ng lola ninyo. Pakinggan naman natin ang kanyang sagot sa katanungan.
Requested si Baguio. At sabi talaga nila, kailangan ko daw talaga i-interview si Baguio kasi daw, manika daw talaga sa personal yung mukha. Totoo. Grabe. If you will be given a chance to choose a universe, what universe would you choose? A universe that full of knowledge but unused, or a universe that full of knowledge but abused?
I would rather choose a universe full of knowledge but unused, because I still believe that there are a lot of knowledge in this world that needs to be discovered further. And once this would be discovered, a lot of people would really use this for good. A lot of people would really advocate or become allies for it. So I would rather choose that. Knowledge
Pero
full-
unused. Yes, tama. Ang galing.
Nang isa lang si Miss Florida, ayan tingnan natin, kudang-kuda din ang lola nyo. Kabog na kabog at pak na pak ang kanyang pagsagot sa katanungan ng isa sa mga nag-interview.
2 questions. So my first question, if you will be given a chance, as a Miss Universe to choose a universe to live, what universe would you choose? A universe that full of knowledge but unused, or a universe that full of knowledge but abused?
Well, this is a tough question, but if I had to choose, I would say knowledge abused, because I believe that knowledge is power and we use it to learn from and grow in our experiences. It's how we know to connect with one another, how we know about each other, and how we can change and adapt to the future that is approaching us. I believe that we always need knowledge in our life, because I know there's a saying, ignorance is bliss, but knowledge really strengthens us and strengthens our future ahead.
Grabe.
So, at yun lang mga kamabuhay Philippines, at ako'y excited na excited sa Grand Coronation Night ng MUPH 2024. Kung sino ba talaga sa kanila ang magaling sa kudaan at yung mapapasama ba sa top 5 na nanlalamon ng mic. Siyempre, at kung sino ang tatanghaling Miss Universe 2024 na magiging kapalit ni Michelle D sa darating na Grand Coronation Night sa MOA Arena ngayong Miss Universe Philippines 2024 ngayong May 22. So, yun lang mga kamabuhay Philippines ang topic natin ngayon. Kaya kung hindi ka pa nagsusubscribe, subscribe na at huwag kalilimutang mag-likes at mag-comment sa aking vlog na ito. Kaya, kita-kits tayong muli. Paalam!